Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about nested tables. In the last lecture, we explored how to create a basic table. Now we will see how the table width behaves when one table is nested into another table. So, if a table is placed within another table, it's referred to as nested table. The table containing nested table is referred to as a parent table. Let's start by creating another table in our existing document that has one row and one column. We will start with the open table tag and we will set the width to 100%. We'll apply 1 pixel border. And we will set the border color to red so we can distinguish from our parent table from nested table. Well, we close the table tag. And now we will create our single row in single column. So now that we have that table created, we want to nest our original table into our newly created parent table. So we have to do very carefully. We need to copy this entire block of code from closed table tag right up to the open table tag. We are going to right click and cut this block of code and paste it inside our open and close td tag on our new table. So right click here and paste. And I am just gonna to do a little bit of formatting to help us stay organized. So that's just help us a little bit more organized before we go any further. Let's save this file and check the output on browser and make sure that everything is correct. And so now we can see the parent table identified by red border and nested table is blue border. So currently our parent table is 100% and our nested table is 500 pixels. Now let's try a couple of different scenarios to see what happens when we adjust the width of nested table relevant to the parent. So first thing we will do is we will change the width of nested table is 50% rather than 500 pixel. Now we save the changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that expand and contract the browser window, our nested table is always occupying 50% of parent table. I will change the width of parent table is 80% and refresh the browser. So we see the parent table is 80% of our browser window and the nested table is 50% of the table. You notice that as we expand and contract the browser window, the nested table is always stays at 50% of the parent table. At this time, we'll make parent table 600 pixel and nested table is 100 pixel. So 600 pixel and nested table is 100%. Of the nested table in parent table will affect the way table is displayed in our browser. So that's how nested table looks like. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.